Hi, we're HMSA from the University of Minnesota.
And we're Houston from the University of St. Thomas.
And we'd love to invite you to our Hmong Minnesota Leadership Conference.
This year, our conference will be on Saturday, April 20th. Last year, our theme was Educate, Empower, and Execute.
Our theme for this year is Inquire, Inspire, Infinity. Why this theme, you ask?
In order to be great leaders, we must first inquire, learning about everything around us.
With this knowledge, we hope to inspire others.
This newfound knowledge will open the door for an infinite amount of opportunities.
As we progress, we've created some amazing leaders.
We have invited 6 great speakers, including our very own state senator, Phong Hearn.
Please register with the link below.
Did I mention this event is free?
So come ready and excited to network and meet amazing new people.
See you there!